Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that this video finds you doing well. However, if you're tuning into this video, maybe it means that things aren't going so well for you. And hey, that is totally understandable. I'm sure that your heads are probably spinning with regards to trying to balance the hybrid model of working here at school a couple of days and working at home. It's a tough animal that we're wrestling right now, right? But I'm here to help tell you that, hey, it's okay. You're not alone, right? And that there are some ways to get out if you do feel like you have fallen behind, all right? Don't give up, don't quit. Right? I want you to keep on going. So if you are feeling overwhelmed, hopefully this video can help you take a step in the right direction. So with that said, step one, what you need to do every day, start out by making your bed. Now I know you probably might be thinking, wow, I'm about to end this video right now. Don't do it, all right? Trust me. There's a lot of, I read a great book. It's called actually Make Your Bed was the title of it. And it was by this US general, right? And each day the Marines, they have to start out by making their bed, and there's a lot of scientific research to back this up. When you complete the first task of the day, the first thing that you do, the first thing you do is wake up out of bed, right? You get up and your feet hit the floor. If you make your bed to start the day, you've already accomplished the very first task, and it kind of gives you some momentum to keep on going and to accomplish more tasks throughout the day. Don't believe me? Try it out for yourself, okay? I encourage you to take that step. So make your bed as the first thing you do. Second thing I would suggest, okay, making a checklist. Now, I have a humorous little SpongeBob scene here where Patrick's to-do list is do nothing, and he did that successfully. But I truly believe that this is a huge help for anyone. This is a huge help for me. Like I have my own, I make one of these note cards weekly, but generally I actually run out of space. I have to make one like every couple of days. I just write down a list of assignments that you need to accomplish or what you need to get done at home, okay, to try and balance your life and even with practices as well. Whatever you have to do, put it on a note card. And there's also scientific research. You get a little release of dopamine, that happy hormone, that happy chemical that your brain releases. Whenever you cross something off, it means you did it. All right. So create a checklist of all the things that you have to do. And it just helps you to visualize, all right, and see, hey, I need to do A, B, C, and D today. Now, speaking of, that transitions into making a calendar. All right, I can't live without my planner here. I truly rely on this for everything. I throw different meetings that I have, different events, sporting events that I have to, coaching. It just helps to keep my life in order. Doctor's appointments, whatever it is. All right, so make a calendar of all the things that you need to do. And if you're struggling, folks, create make a schedule, okay? Even here, you can get really specific and block in each hour. I'm going to start my day from 8 to 9, and I'm going to do my science. And from 9 to 10, I'm going to do, my U.S. cultures or my math. All right, so create that. If you get that schedule, it'll help keep you in line so that every day is not just a mystery of what you're going to do, right? Make that calendar, make that routine, and you follow it every day. So really, that schedule that I have on your right, that block schedule, would be very beneficial, the time schedule. Okay, but at least get a calendar to mark out. Plan your whole week out on Monday. See, okay, for English, I have this writing assignment due Friday. I have this short essay due Tuesday. Right? You have to prioritize. Okay, obviously that Tuesday assignment is much more important than the Friday assignment, vice versa. So if you make a whole map, you can see everything for the entire week and get the closer due dates done first. Next, eliminate distractions. I love the picture on the left. Weapons of mass distraction instead of destruction, because truly, again, if we had an updated one, we'd have TikTok there and Snapchat. But again, YouTube, I know, is one that probably gets a lot of you, right? So try and eliminate these distractions. Okay, go to a room that doesn't have a computer. I know you're probably doing a lot of work on your iPads, right? So try and be away from your phone, though. I know that can be a major distraction. Be away from your phone or your computer or your Xbox, your PS4. Be away from those. Go to a separate room where it's quiet. And again, if your phone is dinging, that you hear that Snap chat, you hear that text message, okay, it's going to distract you. So get away from it. Put your phone on airplane mode. Don't look at it. That's a big one, folks. I think that would really benefit a lot of you. And with that said, make checkpoint breaks. Okay, you can't just grind out 4 hours of work. It's impossible. Your brain wants to wander. You need brain breaks. I take brain breaks in my classroom, right? So clear your head. Say, hey, I'm gonna shut all my technology off, my phone, my PS4, until I get this assignment done. And when I do, hey, you know what? I'll go play outside for 15 minutes, or I'll take 15 minutes and play on my Xbox. I'll take 15 minutes and play on my phone, okay, or go on TikTok. So you have to have a checkpoint, something to look forward to. All right, so I'm going to work on my work for an hour, or once I complete my science, then um, I'm going to take a break. So you need those breaks, folks. It's critical. And here's my closing quotes for the video. Okay, don't you know I love quotes? If you've had me in the classroom, my Monday messages and my Wednesday words of wisdom. Don't put off for tomorrow, which you can do today, right? That's so easy to do. You know what? I'm in the middle of gaming right now. I'm FaceTiming my friends. I'll do it tomorrow, right? But tomorrow comes and it doesn't get any easier, okay? Now, folks, this is all about living a disciplined life, okay? So I want to encourage you to be disciplined with your work, all right? As the quote says, discipline is rarely enjoyable, but almost always profitable. It is tough, folks. It is one of the hardest things is to stay disciplined and focused. But I know that you can do it, and I believe in you, right? It's not, again, it's not enjoyable, but it is profitable. It will help you. And my last quote, discipline is doing what needs to be done, even if you don't want to. You may not want to do these assignments. You may not want to do your U.S. cultures, your specials class. You might not want to do your science, your math, your English, but it has to get done. You know what? It's all about you and your learning. I want you guys to learn as much as you can. Be hungry for knowledge. Dive in, okay? Get the assignments done because putting them off, it doesn't make it any easier. You just get more and more stressed. So I hope that this helps. I'm wishing you all the best. You know I'm here if you ever need anything, guys. I'm rooting for you. Stay strong every day. Just give it a 100% perfect effort. That's all we can ask for. All right, folks. Hey, be blessed. Have a great day.